Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Hey. Here, let's, well, since you're here, I guess I'll, kind of take you out in the garage and show you what all I'm doing. I didn't even know you guys were coming today, so. Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna take you out there then. Okay, so, we're out in the garage. And I have a flat tire. It tells you how long it's been since I've been out here to do anything with the Audi. Mainly because, let me show you real quick. Mainly because Christmas stuff. That's my door panel and stuff. That's where you were just mounted. Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff. Yeah. Yeah, my mom decided she was going to pile Christmas stuff on and in my car. So I really haven't been able to get out here and do anything. And I got a flat tire. So that's not cool. Not cool at all. Could be something in the tire, or just could be low because it's low. So I was gonna get out here and I was gonna really thinking about changing my control arm bushings. I do have my control arm bushings, but I'm not gonna be able to. I can't. There's too much crap. So guess what I'm gonna do? I am going to paint some parts today. I'm not going to film painting them because this is just a update video. So I'm going to film them for part 5. You know, part 5 isn't going to be up for a while, purely for the reason that I don't have money to do anything right now, you know, at this moment. But I have painted my glove box door, and I painted the lower half of the dash for the driver's side. Dyed the vinyl. But what the but I'm gonna wait to really film for part 5 until I have the material to rewrap all this, because I want to rewrap all this stuff because this leather's all coming off and it's ridiculous. So I'm going to rewrap all that stuff for part 5. I'm going to, well, I might do the seats for part 5 too. I was going to take my seats over and get them redone, but seats are very expensive to get redone, about $1,000 to get black leather and red stitching. That's it, $1,000 for 2 of them. I can take them up to Martinsville and have them done for $500 for both of them, but I don't know how good she does. Plus, there's no guarantee that she's going to be able to do them because the airbag's on the side of the seats. So, anyways, guys, yeah, this is just a quick update on where I'm at. It's literally at a standstill. Engine just sitting here. So, by the way, I'm not going with a KO3 or another KO4. I'm going with a different setup. You guys will not know about it until I do it. Get the parts in. So this manifold is going to come off. Puny little freaking stupid. So, and I got a lot of white overspray on this. So, kind of looks cool, but it kind of looks stupid. Not happy about it. Should have covered it. But it kind of looks cool. to an extent. But anyways, that's just what I wanted to show you. Just wanted to update everybody on where the Audi is at and why I haven't been making videos about the Audi. Yeah, it's bad. There's all the pieces. Gotta rewrap all that stuff too. So, but yeah, that's what's going on. That's why I haven't been making videos. I got zero money, zero material, and zero time. Today is the only day I really have time to do anything, and I think I'm going to take that time to sand down and paint the inner half of the glove box and get that all put back together and put it back on the car. Get my lower half of the dash put back on the car. So, alright guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for hopefully part 5 soon and some adventures. See you later, guys. An exhaust clip for you guys of the turd wagon, and I guess this would have been a great time to do it because the exhaust pretty much completely fell off of it now. But I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's pouring down rain. So yeah.